3, 2, 1.
Which of these queens gave birth to twins? The answer is D, Queen Cleopatra. What disease causes the bends? The answer is C, scuba diving decompression illness. Which process allows green plants to control the amount of water stored in their leaves? The answer is D, transpiration. Who holds the record for fastest marathon dressed as a potato? The answer is B, Ryan Scott. Which artist is known for the persistence of memory? The answer is A, Salvador Dali. Which of these search engines was launched first? The answer is A, Google.
In the Wiggles song Hot Potato, they sing of potatoes, spaghetti, and bananas. How do they describe the bananas?
The answer is A, mashed. In a recycling program, people can separate paper from their other trash. The paper is sent to factories and turned into new products. What does paper recycling help conserve the most? The answer is C, trees. Which of these is a sister city to Seattle, Washington? The answer is D, Reykjavik, Iceland. Which vehicle has a speedometer that can go up to 300 mph? The answer is A, Bugatti Veyron. What is a dish made with minced meat, onions, and spices cooked in a frying pan? The answer is C, fajita. What is the verb that means to shorten a word or phrase by omitting letters? The answer is C, abbreviate. What was the name of Arnold's best friend on the hit television show Diff'rent Strokes? The answer is D, Dudley. What substance do South American Indians use on the tips of their poison darts? The answer is B, curare. Where is Egg Island located? The answer is D, Bahamas. What color is the iridium? The answer is A, yellow. In which U.S. city was the children's show Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood produced? The answer is D, Pittsburgh. What is used to open jars? The answer is A, screwdriver. The Volga River is in which country? The answer is A, Russia. What's the largest mammal on Earth? The answer is B. Elephant. In the 1987 movie Dirty Dancing, Baby says she was named after whom? The answer is B. The first woman in the cabinet. What was the The answer is A. Charles Whitman. What is the sitcom that follows a group of students at Greendale Community College? The answer is A. Community. Protists are the simplest of what? The answer is D. Eukaryotes. Which country is the world's leading producer of coffee? The answer is B. Colombia. Which component in a computer is responsible for data storage? The answer is D. CPU. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? The answer is B. Harriet Quimby. Which animal has 3 hearts? The answer is A. Elephant. What is the name of the pet dog of The Simpsons in the popular animated sitcom The Simpsons? The answer is D. Santa's Little Helper. What does Ron hate the most about himself? The answer is D. Being poor. In a zoo located in a warm region, which should be included in the polar bear exhibit? The answer is C. Cold water pool. Who plays Tony Stark/Iron Man in Marvel Cinematic Universe? The answer is C. Robert Downey Jr. Georgia is a proud member of the Southeastern Conference Eastern Division, together with the 2006 national champions, the Florida Gators. Which team is not a member of the SEC East? The answer is B. Auburn. Santa's Little Helper and Snowball are the pets of Bart, Lisa, Maggie, Homer, and Marge, the popular characters from which animated sitcom? The answer is C. The Simpsons. What's always hungry but eats nothing? The answer is A. Fire. Which Norse god is associated with thunder, lightning, hail, and storms? The answer is B. Thor. What is used to keep paper organized? The answer is A. Ring binder. Who is found to be responsible for the riots that ended Season 1 of The Shield? The answer is D. Assistant Chief Benjamin Ben Gilroy. Which operating system was first introduced by Microsoft in 1985? The answer is C. DOS. What impacts an object's ability to reflect light? The answer is A. Color palette. Which mathematical structure has an infinite number of symmetries? The answer is B. Cube. On which continent can you find the turtle dove during most of the year? The answer is C. Europe. Chloroplasts are the little green particles in plants made up of what colorful pigment? The answer is C. Chlorophyll. About how long was the Spanish-American War, and in what year did it break out? The answer is D. 3 months, 1898. What is the formula for water in its ice state? The answer is D. H2O. A glider is a motorless airplane. In addition to size, which would be the main things to consider when designing a glider to cover a large distance? The answer is D. Mass and strength. On the TV show One Day at a Time, Barbara Cooper, played by teen heartthrob Valerie Bertinelli, marries Mark Royer. What was his profession? The answer is B. Dentist. In May I have a black cat, what might I be unable to wear? The answer is B. Yellow. What is the function of a kidney in humans? The answer is C. Excretion. One of the two of Michelangelo's greatest works of sculpture, David, can be found in what European city?